question that we've been asked is, let's say I want to import disbursements into uLaw, rather than entering them by going into general and it's a withdrawal, so I can enter them. Can I kind of have like a generic import? The answer is yes. uLaw supports several disbursement interfaces. You can import disbursements from conveyancer. You can import disbursement from our own software. From one matter, you can just export disbursements and import it. We also have a generic format, and I would like to explain what that generic format is. So for the generic format for the disbursement, we have 5 columns. First is the date. Column A is the date. You can have any format like day, month, year. Then you can kind of have your amount. You can say, hey, the amount is $5 or $75. And then a description, a title basically, saying that it's long distance, it's code fee. A second description describing it in more detail, like, hey, this long distance is actually for Rogers, this one is for Brampton. And then a column where you indicate whether it is taxable or not taxable. When you do that, like when you have this kind of format, then what uLaw does is you can go into any matter, click on the import button. You change this to the generic disbursement view. Choose a file. You just showed you, and then hit the upload button. When you hit the upload button, you get those things that you actually had, the date, the description, the fees is all here. You take an action and you would say what kind. Like for example, this one is paid from general. You can just say paid from general, and there you see the long distance, the second description, the date, the amount. Everything is pretty much there, and the tax is also there. So you can just hit the save button. Pretty much you're ready to hit the save button. If there's any more things that you need to fill, you can go ahead and fill it, but you're pretty much ready to hit the save button. Similarly, if it's a non-taxable item, you do the same thing. Like the uLaw will automatically, as part of the import, will nullify the tax. You put it into the general expense. You can just choose what bank it was and go ahead and actually complete the transaction. And this will be part of your disbursement that you actually try to save. So to summarize, we have a very generic format for disbursements: date, amount, title, description, and a column to indicate yay or nay for taxable. And then you come to import. Inside that matter that you want to import, change this to a generic disbursement, load up the file, and then upload it, and then when you take an action,